We have done the graph. We have done lines parallel to the x-axis and we have done line parallel to the y-axis. Okay. And we have done lines which are which are not parallel to any of these lines. These are the only three type of lines you have to learn in grade 10. Understand? Then this line parallel to the x-axis is called y equal a type lines. Lines parallel to the y-axis, which is going to the x-axis, is called x equal b type lines. This is slant line. You can write y equal mx plus c. Okay. What is c? C is called intercept. This point is called intercept. We have line cut the y-axis. Gradient m is depending on the slope. Gradient is depending on the slope. The other thing is, if it going to the origin, the intercept is 0. So you can write it as y equal mx. The plus c is 0. Okay. But remember, the y equal mx and y equal mxc are both are same. Then when the equation is given, okay, when equation is given, you can draw the line. Now if you say y equal 3, you can draw the line which is parallel to the x-axis and going to the 3 of y-axis, like this. This is y equal 3. If I say x equal 2, how can you do it? You can just draw it parallel to the y-axis and going to the 2 of x-axis. Understand? Okay. We have done those things. If there is only y is going to the, if there is only y is parallel to the x-axis. If there is only x is parallel to the y-axis. It means if there are only x and y alone, these are parallel lines. So you can draw them at once. Okay. That is easy. Then next one is, if I give you y equal 2x plus 3. If I give the y equal 2x plus 3, this is not a parallel line. This is a slant line. How do you verify that? There is a x and y in the same equation. So this is slant line. It's not parallel. So you can't plot this line at once. So you have to complete the table. Can you remember? To do that, we have to find 3 points which lie on the lines. So to find the points, we get 3 points as we wish. So it's easy to take 0, 1, 2. Any 3 points you can take. Okay, I am taking 0, 1, 2. Then y you have to find by substituting these x values to this equation. When x equals 0, this becomes 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 3, 3. When x equals 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. When x equals 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Now you can mark the points. What's the first point? 0, 3 here. 1, 5. 2, 7 is somewhere here, okay? Then you can join with ruler, you can join these lines. Then this is y equal 2x plus 3. Now what's the gradient of this one? If the equation is given, you can find the gradient and intercept easily. What's the gradient? 2. Intercept is 3. We have done those things. When the equation is given, I have explained you how to find the gradient and intercept. Even though we haven't plotted the lines, we can find the intercept and gradient. What's the gradient here? 3, intercept is -1. If you are given 2y minus x equals 0, can we find the gradient and intercept at once? No, you have to make the y subject. To make the y subject, you have to move x to the other side first. Then it's become 2y equal x. Then divide both sides by 2. Then you can cut those. Then y equal x over 2. So you can write it as y equal half x. So what's the gradient here? Half. And intercept is going to the origin. There is no intercept here. 0 is intercept. The intercept is 0. Understood? Then I told you, when the gradient is positive, when the gradient is a positive number, how do you write positive number? Greater than 0. Graph is going to which side? Graph is going to the right hand side. This means this angle is acute angle. This angle is acute angle. When the gradient is negative, we are writing is m is less than 0, negative. Can you understand why we are writing these two for the positive numbers and negative numbers? Because when you draw the number line, okay, 0, numbers greater than 0 is positive numbers. Numbers less than 0 is negative numbers. Okay, so to represent these positive numbers, we are writing greater than 0. To represent the negative numbers, we are writing less than 0. Okay, so m is positive, we are writing m greater than 0. M is negative, we are writing as m less than 0. Okay, so m is, when the gradient is negative, graph is going to the left hand side. This angle is obtuse angle. We have done these things up to now. Okay, write a new topic today. Finding the equation